Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your saved game files and config file for Crimson Desert on PC. Just follow these steps carefully. Let's get started. First, open File Explorer on your PC. Now follow this path step by step. Go to this PC. Open the C drive, open the Users folder, open your User folder. Now, you need to open the App Data folder. If you don't see it, click on the View tab at the top. Click Show Enable Hidden Items once visible. Open App Data. Open the Local folder. Open the Perl Abyss folder. Open the CD folder. Open the Save folder. Open the folder with the long number. Inside this folder, you will find all your save game files. Step 2. Locate the config file. Now go back to the Save folder. Look for the file called user_engine_option_save. Right-click it and select Open with Notepad. This file contains your game configuration settings, such as graphics and other options. And that's it. Now you know where to find both your save files and config file in Crimson Desert on PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.